Okay, hey lovelies, what it do, what it do? Happy Valentine's Day. We are about to get into this quick, easy hairstyle. I decided to pop out a quick, easy hairstyle that I really feel everybody can do, or you could take it to somebody, a stylist that can definitely do this for you. All right, so I decided to do the hearts. You know how I love hearts. I pretty much have hearts in my videos for the longest, and now it's trending, so let's get with it. I've been doing this and I'm hype. All right, I'm hype. And we got the little rows going on, so I kept it really simple, not too many braids. That's why I said you could take it to somebody or you can do it yourself, because it's an easy, quick 30-minute hairstyle. Actually 45 minutes, because I sat under the dryer, so it took me like 45 minutes in total to do this hairstyle. You can use rollers, perm rods, curl formers, flexi rods, braid out, twist out, and 2 knots. Whatever you prefer, you can accomplish this hairstyle for the look that you want. Exactly why I didn't do too many braids. I styled my hair 2 different ways, actually 3. So in the video, you're going to see me have it wearing it down to one side. So whichever side you want to flip it on, flip your hair on, you can do that. I definitely wore my hair like that for a few days. I also decided to put it in a mohawk with my natural hair. And then for some video clips for my creative channel where I do sewing and other arts and stuff like that, for my intro, outro, I decided to put clip-ins in. And I showed you guys all of that. So that's why the video is a little lengthy, because I was just showing you the different ways I style my hair for this hairstyle. Now, let's get into it. I'm working on dirty hair, old hair, stretched hair, whatever you want to call it, but it's not freshly washed. It's an old roller set that I end up putting in 2 braids, so I guess you could call it an old braid out. But whatever the case may be, I needed a quick last minute hairstyle, and this is what I came up with. So let's get into the fact that I do hearts on my channel all the time. I'll link some videos in the right here in the video and in the description bar, so you can see how I do hearts. But I did not speed this up too much so you could see the gist of it. But boom, bam, we completed the hearts on one side down. So basically I was trying to figure out how I wanted to style it. I'm over here looking at, do I want a mohawk, do I want to just wear it to one side? I end up doing all of them. So like I said, the hairstyle is very, very versatile. So I'm going ahead and separated my hair, and I'm gonna do a rose on the other side. I've been seeing people do these roses and I'm like, how they do it? So right now I'm figuring it out. We're gonna figure it out together. This is what I'm doing. I'm figuring it out. I'm looking at a picture and I'm figuring out how they did it, and I'm basically showing you the process of me trying to figure this out. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. I wish I had some nice, good music for you guys to listen to. But yeah, just watch, relax, send this video to your stylist, post it, share it, because this is so cute for a last minute hairstyle that you don't even have to wear on Valentine's Day. You could wear this anytime. This is so out of my norm, because typically I would braid up my sides. I would do so much more to this hairstyle, but I really did not, because I wanted to make sure that anybody could do it quickly at any time. So alright, it is what it is. Enjoy. And those that's watching today on Valentine's Day, like, what y'all have planned for today? Or what have y'all already done? Or if you're watching after, how was your Valentine's Day? Did you go out with the girls? Did you stay home? Did you and your man have a date? Did you and your man get single? Like, what was going on? I hope you all is enjoying your day. Do not let this day get y'all down. All right, there's so many things that if you celebrate today, then you can do it. You can do it by yourself, independent. Okay, independent. Don't worry about nobody pleasing you. You could please yourself. You love yourself, so you could please yourself, and you could do everything you want to do by yourself, or grab a group of friends and y'all go out on the town, enjoy, have a date night in the house with your girlies, with your guys. Like, never do you need to have a man or a woman by your side to enjoy, and holiday never was the case. You can even watch this video, do this hairstyle, and take pictures. My girl, like, your day can be full of taking cute behind pictures, solo dolo. Like, I just want to know how your day is going, and I hope your day is going terrifically, and I hope y'all had a great day if you don't see this today. Okay, y'all see I already completed the braid, but here I am doing it again. Never be afraid to take something out and try again. I don't show it a lot of times, but a lot of things I do is for the first time on my own head. I take stuff out and I do it over and over until I get the look that I want. And that is what I'm showing you guys. I just want y'all to know I don't get everything perfectly done on the first try. So I'm content with this flower, this rose, or whatever you want to call it. For me to do it on myself, my eyeballs were burning. So yeah, trying to see how to make this rose. So I think it's good enough. Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, I decided to do a roller set. Like I said, you could do a perma set, a bantu knot, twist out, braid out. Like, I could have even left my hair in that braid out and I would have been happy and completely content. You could do a sew-in, sew some tracks in the middle. You could do crochet. Oh my gosh, you could do crochet some hair in the middle. Like, I'm telling you, this hairstyle is so versatile and y'all know it. So whatever creative things y'all come up with, if y'all try this hairstyle, tag me on Instagram. My links are below. Tag me on Instagram. I definitely would love to see it. And yeah, y'all see me do a roller set like so many times on my channel. I'll also link those videos below as well, just in case you haven't. And at this point, because it's kind of repetitive, I'm just slowing it down and showing y'all right now for people that are new to the channel and y'all haven't seen me do a roller set. But yeah, okay, so basically I was gonna just leave the braids, my natural hair, the length that it was, and just curl my ends, but I decided I wanted it a little bit longer because I wanted to put clip-ins in, so I wanted to match the length of the clip-ins. So that's what I'm doing here. I took some human version hair off the track, cut it off the track, and I'm over here adding it to the ends of my braids and tying a knot because it is silky, so it don't come loose, the braid don't come loose. And that's basically it. I think I also perm rod the ends of these, or I wet them, I'm not sure, but I think I did it two different ways. I perm rod once and then I wet it another time because, like I said, I wore this hairstyle out quite a few days. So this is the first style. You could wear it down like this. Love this style. I'm here for it. Y'all know this is like my signature style. You could flip it over so you can see the heart, and then flip it over so you can see the rose, whichever way you want to wear it. Or you could wear it in a mohawk. And this is when I decided to put my clip-ins in. Boom, boom, bam. So for those that never seen me put clip-ins in, I decided to add this video clip. Sorry for the quality, it was really last minute. I didn't think it was necessary to show it, but I was like, let me pull out my phone and record it anyway, just in case, so I don't have the lights up, no nothing, and that's why the quality looks so bad. But anyways, putting my clip-ins in, super easy. And then I'm going to show you how I achieved the mohawk by like pinning it up. Again, super simple, super easy. That's why the video is like 10 minutes, because I added this clip in here. But I just thought y'all would want to see it, so I didn't want to like not put it and then y'all wondering like, how did she achieve that? So yeah. So now we're gonna add our last minute pins, fluff, and all of that good stuff, and the hairstyle is complete. So check out my other channel where I show you how I made this heart B-Day outfit. Check out your girl. Until next time, lovelies. Later.
You know we be getting wild. You got me kneeling like I rip into God. When it's in it, I grip it, no you can't get it back. Then it slip, drip, drip like a slip and slide. Yeah.